Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add Midjourney bot to your private server. So it's pretty simple. First, what you need to do is join the Discord server of Midjourney. To do that, you need to click on the plus icon and click on join a server. And over here you want to write Midjourney like this and click on join server. Once you do that, you will be able to join this server. And once you join this server, wait for some time at the first, okay? And once all the name at the right corner gets loaded, you need to click on Midjourney bot. And remember, you need to be inside the Discord server, okay? From inside the Midjourney Discord server, at the right side, click on Midjourney bot and click on where it says view profile. You can click on his profile picture to do that and click on add app. Once you click on add app, you want to select the server. So you want to select your private server. Let's say I want to add it to my private server one step. I can click on continue. Then I need to click on authorize, which means I agree to its terms and service. Verify I'm a human. Once that's complete, it's going to load for some time and it's going to be added. So that is how you guys can add Midjourney to your private Discord server. It's that simple. And as you guys can see, it has been added. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.